As the owner of Manning Drone Services, I have developed a true passion for flying the drones over golf courses. We take a series of photos that are stitched together in post-production through our partner DroneDeploy to create orthomosaic or two-dimensional maps, as well as 3D models or digital twins. This allows golf course management to analyze a course from the air with the ability to zoom in on any given area at any time. And of course, we offer beautiful flyovers from tee to green to allow the golfer to see the course before they arrive.